People have been asking about which wireless doorbell to choose. In this video, we're going to watch a list of the best 7 wireless doorbell. Let's get right to it. Number 7. Danslesbls wireless doorbell. The doorbell has strong penetrating power, capable of transmitting clear signals up to long-range 304 m 1000 ft inside your home or business in an open space. You'll be never missing a visitor's arrival no matter where you are. Since the number of each wireless doorbell is separate, it will not interfere with other equipment in your house or those of your neighbors. Key feature: Danslesbls wireless doorbell. 4 adjustable volume level. Waterproof ring structure, easy to install. Number 6. Coolqiya wireless doorbell. This is an excellent wireless doorbell if you are looking for an LED for visual alerts. It is also a great option if you need to expand your wireless doorbell with more receivers or more transmitters. The Coolqiya wireless doorbell has a wide operating temperature range and is fully waterproof too. This doorbell works for most material doors or walls. Key feature: expandable doorbell. Additional alerts. Water and weatherproof. 12V battery. Number 5. Ying wireless doorbell. For a highly rated, affordable wireless doorbell, one of your best options is the Ying waterproof door chime kit. These doorbells are easy to set up and have a wide variety of options that make them great wireless doorbells for any home. It is easy to install and operate. It plugs into any standard wall outlet. Use this door chime for the front or back doors to gain security. Key feature: affordable doorbell. Easy to install. Waterproof and robust. Stylish modern design. Number 4. Honeywell home wireless doorbell. If you're looking for a product with long battery life, you'll like the Honeywell Series 9 wireless portable doorbell. This modern product has a sleek design, including an illuminated halo on the button and LED strobe alerts in 7 colors on the receiver. Its range is up to 450 feet, and it has 8 sounds: adjustable volume, sleep mode. Key feature: adjustable volume. Impressive range. Comes with 8 tunes. LED halo alert. Number 3. Tecknet wireless doorbell. The Tecknet doorbell packs quite the punch. It features 32 melody chimes, adjustable volume levels, and extends to 820 feet of operating range. It's perfect for smaller homes and budgets. The unit is sleek and comes in white or black. The receiver plugs into the wall and has the volume control on the front, making it easier to adjust as you walk by. Key feature: 4 ring volume levels. 32 different ring tones. Flashing light indicator. Easy to install. Number 2. Avantek wireless doorbell. Avantek is known to deliver innovative quality products, as they purely focus on consumers' needs and help them live an easier and smarter life. Their mini doorbell chime does the same work for you. It carries the quality certification of FCC and RoHS that ensures a long life to your doorbell. It comes with a non-camera transmitter. Key feature: long wireless range. 52 ringtone options. Navigation button. LED light alert. Number 1. Sadotech wireless doorbell. Wireless doorbells are typically inexpensive, and one of the most affordable options out there is the Sadotech Model C wireless doorbell. The Sadotech Model C doorbell comes in a whopping 14 colors, and it has an operating range of 500 feet for its plug-in receiver. There are more than 50 chimes to choose from, as well as 4 volume levels. Key feature: smart memory function. Ultra-long battery life. Patent pending sound. Weather and waterproof. If you want to buy any of them, please check the link below on the description for price and more information. That's all for now. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like and subscribe. Drop a comment to give us suggestions. Until next time.